Welcome back, everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're going over how to soft reset your Ford Super Duty Sync 4. This will work on many other Sync 4 systems, so you can try it out. Before we get going, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button. It helps a small channel out, and you can hit the thumbs up notification bell, and then head over to the channel and hit the search bar and type in whatever you want. We have tons of video on Super Duty, Chevys, Rams, and everything like that. So let's get rolling. So when you hop in your Ford Super Duty, sometimes, not often, the Sync 4 is a pretty reliable system, but sometimes it glitches and it just stops working. You can touch the buttons, it won't do anything. Sometimes it'll just be dark, and sometimes it'll just stick on the Ford emblem, and you're thinking, geez, now I gotta go and restart my vehicle or whatever. Well, try this first. So guys, you can do this while you're driving, but I'd suggest you do it at a stop sign if you're doing it by yourself, so that way you can devote all your attention to driving, or if you have a passenger with you, they can do it too. So all you're gonna do is push on the volume button and then use the Ford skip. And you're gonna hold this until the screen goes completely dark again. So you're gonna push and hold these. In just a few seconds, we're gonna see this screen go dark. And this is your soft reset, and you can, like I said, you don't have to shut the truck off. It does need to be running, I guess, and this will usually happen when you have the engine on or in on mode. You can do it as long as it's in on mode, not accessory. So after it does this, it's going to do the same initial setup that it usually does when it gets in here, but that is the easiest way to see if that can fix your Sync 4 system. I've done it a couple times on this one, a couple times in some other Fords. It works perfect, and then after that, I don't actually have any issues with my Sync 4, but having to take it to a dealer doesn't always align with my schedule, or doesn't always align with what I got going on. So make sure you give this a shot before you run down to the dealer. Try it. Again, be careful if you're doing it while you're driving. Sometimes there's no other choice. So you can just focus on that, find the volume knob, find the skip knob, hold it until the screen goes black, and you are golden. I always appreciate you guys being here, and we're going to catch you on the next one.